don't touch my hair. Get on it, you want it.
Hi everyone, Tania.kns here, and today I'm showing you how I do my homemade 100% natural aloe vera gel. So I'm gonna start by simply washing off the leaf just to make sure there is no any extra bacteria or any stickers or anything on the leaf itself. And then I'm just gonna start by cutting off basically the edges of the plant, of the leaf actually. And then once I do that, I'm just simply gonna just separate the leaf into small parts so I can actually cut into equal amounts. And then what I will do is I will show you two separate ways of taking off the gel of the leaf. So the first way to do is to use a spoon and to just try to take off all the aloe vera gel, which I found pretty hard on the small parts. So on the small parts I really recommend a knife, but really be careful because you can cut yourself really easily as the knife will go faster than the spoon. So the spoon is safer, but it's just more annoying and taking more time. And then the second way is simply to use a knife. So I used a big knife for the big leaf because I think it was safer, and I can also follow with my hand without cutting myself. So I'm gonna cut it in the middle because I still want to have one part of the leaf that I'm gonna keep like that, just to use as the leaf itself on my face and not just the gel. And so now I'm just cutting the bigger part of the gel that I'm gonna be cutting into small square, and then I'm gonna be putting into my bowl. And then as I said earlier, I'm gonna cut the leaf into little squares so that I can use them every morning or every night when I do some health skincare routine or anything like that that's really safe and 100% natural, that's gonna give glow and nourishment to my skin. And now I'm gonna show you for the rest of the leaf. I'm simply gonna cut it into half because it was too dangerous for me to just cut it off with the knife like that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna again cut the bigger part and put it into squares and then put it into my bowl. And then what I will do is actually go ahead and use a spoon because this part of the leaf is way bigger, so it's easier, I guess, to take off the gel that's from on the leaf again. But I'm gonna try to keep again a little bit of the gel on the leaf so that I can just use the leaf like that without having to use the gel that I'm gonna be mixing and finishing after that. So here are the little aloe vera swabs, like cotton swabs, you know, you can use them on your face with like lotion and stuff. Well, I'm gonna be using just aloe vera gel like that because it's really good for the skin. And then I'm gonna move on to the actual gel part, and I'm gonna be using scissors just to cut out the big part so it's easier for me to mix. And at first I'm just gonna mix it with a fork just to make sure that it breaks down the gel but not damage it as much. And to really break down all the big parts so that I can use it on my hair or on my skin, I'm simply going to be using a mixer that I'm just going to put on the aloe vera gel and try to mix it, but not too much so that I don't have too much foam from the gel. And so once done, I'm just gonna put it back into this little bowl, mixer bowl, and then I'm gonna be using some of my natural 100% natural oils just to make sure that I can enhance this gel, but also that I can use it in my hair mostly, but also on my face if I want to. So I'm just gonna put 2 of those oil that are gonna be in the description box anyways if you want to get some, and I'm just gonna finish by mixing them and putting them into my container where I'm gonna keep this aloe vera gel. I also have that small tutorial and shorter video without my voiceover on TikTok, which is tania.kns7, that you can go ahead and follow, and also on my Instagram, which is tania.tsn. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Tell me what you think about it in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe.